The User Manager in FutureFund provides a secure way to grant access to administrators in your organization. When viewing the users in the manager, you can see the name, email, role, and affiliated organization for the administrator. The permission key shows which section the user is permitted to access. Each section is represented as a single letter in the key. Dark backgrounds show where access is granted and light backgrounds show where access is restricted. For example, the user Michelle Freeman has access to students, store, and volunteers. FutureFund allows multiple funds to access the same school account while restricting access to authorized users. The funds column shows which funds the user has access to. In our previous example, Michelle has access to the PTA, but not any other fund. Permissions can easily be managed by clicking on the Permissions button next to the user. Any changes made are effective immediately. When users are no longer affiliated with your organization, you can remove their access by clicking on the Remove button. This action will remove their access to your account. However, it will not delete any other information for the user. Adding a user is done by clicking on the Invite User button and completing the form. When the form is submitted, the user will receive an email with instructions on accessing the admin instance. As a best practice for improved security, we strongly discourage using shared accounts. That wraps up this video on the User Manager. If you have any questions, please follow up with our support team.